What's the meaning of commensal? Commensal. Commensal.
Commensal. Commensal. The term commensal refers to a type of ecological relationship between two organisms, where one organism benefits from the association without harming or benefiting the other organism. This type of relationship is often seen in microorganisms living on or in the human body, such as bacteria in the gut or on the skin. The commensal organism benefits from the resources and habitat provided by the host, while the host is generally unaffected. Unlike parasitism, there is no harm caused to either organism in a commensal relationship.